Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. Today I am going to show you how to recover deleted data from your computer, USB drive, SD card or other storage devices using WonderShare Recoverit. Imagine this, you are on a family vacation taking tons of beautiful photos. You save them all to your USB drive but then accidentally delete them. Don't panic. WonderShare Recoverit is a powerful data recovery software that can recover your lost files from various devices like your computer, USB drive, SD card and more. Let's explore how you can use this tool to recover your precious data. Step by step, the first step is download and install WonderShare Recoverit. You can find the link in the video description. Once it's installed, launch the program. It's a straightforward process and the user-friendly interface makes it accessible for users of all levels. Now let's talk about the recovery process. When you open Recoverit, it will be prompted to select the location where you lost your data. It could be your computer, external drives, or even a specific folder. WonderShare Recoverit supports a wide range of devices to whether it's a USB drive, SD card, or your computer hard drive. You can recover your data from crashed computer. You can also recover your data from NAS or Linux system. WonderShare Recoverit have some new features. There is an option of enhanced photo and video recovery. You can also repair your corrupted video files. Now let me show you how you can recover your deleted data. I have a USB drive connected with my computer. You can see all types of files here like PDF, audios, video and images. And I will delete all the data and will show you after recover. You can see all the data is deleted. Select the location. Recoverit will begin scanning the selected location for lost files. The scanning process might take some time depending on the size of storage and the speed of your computer, so be patient. The good news is that Recoverit uses advanced algorithms to ensure a thorough scan. During the process, you can also pause and stop it. Here you can see quick scan is completed. You can preview and recover scanned files. If you see quick scan has been recovered your deleted files, you can stop it anytime. I can see all of my deleted files has been scanned and showing here. So I am going to stop this process. After the scan is complete, you will see a list of recoverable files. You can preview them to make sure you are recovering the right ones. Taking your time to go through the list and select the files you want to recover. Once you are ready, hit the recover button. WonderShare Recoverit allows you to choose a location to save your recovered files, and it's important to save them to a different drive to avoid overwriting any existing data. And there you have it. Here you can see all the files has been recovered. I will open one by one. You can see all the audio files, documents, photos and videos. Now you have learned how you can recover your deleted files from external drives. There are some more options. You can recover your deleted files from disk image, desktop, or you can select a specific folder. You can also recover your deleted files from recycle bin also. I want to recover files from a specific folder. Click on select folder and select the folder you want to recover. You can see recovery process has been stopped. Wait few minutes. And it's depend on the size of the folder you are going to recover. You can pause or stop this process anytime. Here is the option. You can see quick scan is completed. You can preview and recover scanned files. I can see all the deleted files has been scanned. You can preview all the files. Select the file you want to recover or select all the files and click on recover button. The next option is enhanced recovery. Here you can recover your lost videos, photos from all devices such as Canon, Sony, DJI, GoPro, Seagate, SD card, etc. If you have an camera device, connect the camera with PC cable so you can recover your lost videos or audio files. WonderShare Recoverit is a powerful tool that can help you recover lost data from your computer, USB drive, SD card, or any other storage. It's easy to use and has a high success rate, so I highly recommend it to anyone who has accidentally deleted data. So the download link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.